So I just installed this app called Kingroot on my device because I wanted to root my Huawei Honor 8, and it makes it seem that it's actually trying to root my device, but nothing is actually going to happen. Instead, what I've noticed is that for the past 15 minutes I've been getting just various notifications. So these four, as you guys can see, two of these seem like they're like Facebook requests, like someone is trying to add me. I've not tried to click the link because it could be something really malicious. And the other two seem like they're apps, someone tried to call me or something. And these are all just spam notifications. I did get a warning from the Google Play Store that this app might be harmful, but it's not actually doing anything. So I recommend you guys not to install this app. But let me know if someone else has tried it out and it actually worked as well. Yeah, make sure that you uninstall this app and it will get rid of all the notifications as you guys saw. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it useful. Bye.